Did you know that you can make an instrument at home with just glasses, water, and a stick? All I did was fill these glasses with different levels of water to make different sounds. Where there's very little water, you get a high sound. Where there's lots of water, you get a low sound. Fill the glasses with different amounts of water and you'll have different notes. To tune your instrument, you will need to add or remove water from your glass. You'll also need a reference to know what the notes are meant to sound like. You can use your recorder, a piano, or most likely you can just use the recording that I've provided you. I've already tuned the B. B, A. That sounds like another A. I need to add more water to make this note sound right. So I'm going to play my recorder. That sounds pretty close. B, A, G. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once my instrument is tuned, I like to label it so that I don't get them mixed up. B, A, G. Also, if you want to play again tomorrow, I use a Sharpie to mark where the water is so that I can match it tomorrow. And don't worry, Sharpie will come off with nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol, I hope. No, it will, I hope. You can use any sort of stick to play your instrument. I use a wooden spoon because it's gentle and it has a nice muted tone. You can use a regular spoon. Just don't break the glass. You can use a chopstick. A really soft sound. You can use a pen or a pencil. Or the handle of any utensil. It's usually plastic. You could even play on top. Try it out. Just don't hit too hard. If you want to make your instrument pop, let's try a little food coloring. I'll make that one green. And this one red. Whoa. And I'll make this one blue. And give it a stir. Now my instrument is beautiful. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Ta-da! Give it a try. It's lots of fun, and you can make up your own songs.